Okay. Hi. Okay, so today let us have that. Okay, what is the weather in Vietnam now? Here it's raining, a little bit rain, and then sunny, and then it rains again. So the weather is not good. The weather is not stable, not good. Yeah, not good, not stable today. Okay.
The weather in the country is cloudy.
Okay, how about you? What's the weather? Not good?
Cloudy.
It's cloudy? Oh. Okay, so yes, so for today, teacher and will share to you the screen. I am not really feeling well, Tono Angi, because of the weather. The weather is not really good today. Da 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 da. Okay, I will share to you now. Dang, 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 dang. Okay, I really love the music. Okay, okay, so this one, so we have the reading. Okay, so I miss reading that the last time we have, mostly we have developing lesson, talking. Okay, please try to answer. I'm really tired today. My arms is quite tired.
Um,
I'm exercising. Kim, Kim, Kim. Oh yeah.
okay.
Okay, so watch, repair. Warning to customers. All uncollected items will be sold after 12 months. The answer is letter B. This shop will keep customers' watches for up to 12 months. Okay, so we'll keep all uncollected. It means not collected items will be sold after 12 months. So if you have 12 months already, okay, so you buy and you did not collect it, so it will be sold. Okay. Read and understand me. Please read and understand.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So, Philip didn't wait any longer, didn't want to miss the start of the match. Problem at work. Here's your ticket. See you at the stadium, Stefano. Okay, so Philip. So this letter is from Stefano to Philip. Okay, couldn't wait any longer. Didn't want to miss the start of the match. Problem at work. Here is your ticket. See you at the stadium, Stefano. The answer is letter C. Stefano has given up waiting for Philip to arrive. Stefano has given up waiting for Philip to arrive. Okay, parents, complete and return your child's form for next month school trip by Friday. Okay, parents, complete and return your child's form for next month school trip by Friday. It is letter C. The last day of returning completed forms for the trip is Friday. 4 and 5.
Okay.
Okay, from Gabi to Joe. Okay, I will be in town on business on Wednesday. So Joe said, no, Joe said, Gabi said, Joe, I will be in town on business on Wednesday. So could we meet for dinner then instead of on Thursday as usual? Okay. The answer, Gabi wants Joe to. Okay, from Gabi. Okay, I'll be in town on business on Wednesday. So could we meet for dinner then instead of Thursday as usual? Okay, change arrangement, cancel regular event, come to business meeting. Okay, the answer is letter A. Change the arrangement of time. Very good. Lift service starts at ground floor today. For basement, please use the stairs. So if you are in the basement, you have to use the stairs because the elevator, there's a service that's need to start in the ground floor. So if you're basement, you have to use the stairs. It is possible not to use the lift above the ground floor today. Okay? The lift will not be going to the basement today. The stairs between the basement and the ground floor are closed today. Okay, the lift will not be going to the basement today because the lift is on service from the ground floor. Ground floor, basement 1, basement 2. So of course, the basement, I mean the elevator or the lift will not go in the basement because it's stuck in the ground floor. Okay, you find this hard? Parks in the ground. Uh, why don't you try this one? Maybe you can answer. You try, even though it's hard for you. Oh, you find you don't like? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so look at the sentences below about the Idaho Road Trail in Alaska. Read the text on the opposite page to decide if each sentence is correct or incorrect. If it is correct, mark A on your answer sheet. If it is not correct, mark B on your answer sheet. Okay? Da, 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 da.
7 days.
Okay. So the population of Alaska, we're talking here the history of Iditarod, the last great race on Earth. Okay, the last great race on Earth, the history of Iditarod. In 1880s, the gold was discovered in what is now the most northern state of the USA, Alaska. Okay, as you know, Alaska is a very cold country. Many people came to the area hoping to get rich. New towns were built and grew quickly. One such town was called Iditarod, which means far distant place. This town grew so quickly during 1909 that it briefly became the largest city in Alaska. In the summer months, essential supplies could be delivered to these towns by boat. But in the winter, the rivers and the ocean froze, and there was no way to get to them. So in 1910, the winter truck was built, which would be used by teams of dogs pulling sledge. They would take mail, food, and clothes to the gold miners. Okay, so that was in 1910 when a winter truck was built with which we use team of dogs pulling sledge. They would take mail, food, and clothes to the gold miners. So there is a gold mining here. So that was summer. Essential supplies could be delivered to distance by boat. Okay. So the truck became known as Iditarod Trail. Okay. So we call it. It took a team of dogs about 3 weeks to travel across Alaska. They stopped at the road houses where the drivers could get a warm bed for the night and something to eat for both themselves and their dogs. The trail was used every winter until 1920s, when aeroplanes replaced steamboats and dog teams as the main form of transport. So before, it's only a dog and a person who will gonna drive with that one, a driver. But then in 1920, there is aeroplane already, so it would not be the hard. So this is the last great race on Earth. Okay, this is happened in Alaska where mining is very fast. Okay, he said some people will go here to get rich. The population of Alaska remained the same throughout 1880s, 1880. Okay, no. It grow bigger and quickly grow bigger. Okay. For a short time, more people lived in Idatarod than in any other city in Alaska. Oh, correct. Many because they want to get rich. Okay. So this town, Iditarod, they call it far and distant place. Okay. Next is after 1910. Okay, it became possible, okay, 1910, to deliver letters in winter as well as summer. Okay, look at this. Okay, letter A. It becomes possible because we have or they have already the winter truck was built, which would use dog, team of dogs who will pull a sledge. Okay. So when traveling on Iditari Trail, the drivers had to take food for the dogs with them. Okay. B, no. Okay. They would take mail, food, and clothes to the gold miners. to the gold miners only. So in 1920, okay, aeroplanes were used more often than boats and dogs. Okay, it is correct. Yes, there is already an aeroplane. So it's not the dog that you will use. Instead, you will use the aeroplane. Okay, so doctors in Nam have good supply of medicine to cure diphtheria. Is it? Oh, B. It's not stated here. The pilot Carl Elson refused to fly his plane because of the cold weather. Okay, this one. It's Carl Elson. Okay. Leonhard Cepala's dog was able to lead him safely to his destinations. Okay, correct. It's letter A. Okay. The the dog was able to lead him safely to his destinations. It is Leonhard Sipala, okay, a Norwegian who had come to Alaska looking for a gold. Traveled the first 400 kilometers. He had to trust his dog, Togo, ability to find his way in the blending snow, and Togo turned out to be a reliable guide. Imagine, it's only a dog who guide this man, Leonhard, to go the snow, the binding snow. So it's very hard. But because he trusts his dog, he was able to find his way. At one point, Balto refused to go any farther and saved Tim from falling into icy water. The diphtheria was stopped and Balto became a hero. Nowadays, a dog sledge race is held every year from Anchorage to Nome, following the route of that famous journey in 1925. Okay, this is considered as famous journey. Balto fell into some icy water but managed to save himself. Okay, B, it's not stated. Okay, where's Balto here? At one point, Balto refused to go any further and save the team from falling into icy water. So he did not fall from icy water. The Iditarod race takes different route every year. No, it's only the same route they were going to do. Okay, imagine Iditarod race, a route is mean the dogs that they have to put a sledge together with the man, with the person. Okay. Now here, please choose your answer. Sorry, huh?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So what is the writer trying to do in the text? Okay, this is about Kuraiji Aichison. Okay, the family name is quite hard. Aichison. Wait minute, no ha? Wait minute. Just a minute. What is the writer trying to do in the text? The writer is what? The letter C. Introduce readers to the artist Craigie Aitchison. Okay. So, what can the reader learn about Aitchison from the text? What can the reader learn about Aitchison from the text? The reader
I
learned
think
that
paintings for the Italian government.
he did
I
some
think
paintings for the Italian government.
um,
He works in a different way from other artists. This is what the reader learned about Aitchison. Okay, the painter Roger Asino was born in Scotland. He came to London. Oh, the family name is quite hard. Aitchison. Okay, was born in Scotland. He came to London intending to study law, but went to art school instead. Oh, there he found the traditional drawing classes difficult but still kept on painting. In his late 20s, he was given money by the Italian government to study art and became interested in early Italian artists, which shows in some of his work. He loved the greens and browns of the Italian fields and the clear light there, and he wanted to put this light into his paintings. This led him to paint colors, thinly one on top of another from light to dark. But he insists he's never sure what the results will be. He says it's a secret because I don't know myself. I don't start by painting yellow, knowing I'm going to put anything on the top. Like most talented people, Aichison makes it sound easy. Anyone can do the colors. You can buy them. I simply noticed that you put the colors next to blank. Unlike some artists, he never does drawings before he starts a painting, as he feels that if he did, he might get bored and not do the painting afterwards. Instead, Aitchison changes his paintings many times before they are finished. This explains why his favorite models are people. Oh,
teacher,
hmm,
teacher,
yes.
wait a minute, please.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. What can the reader learn about Aichison from the text? Okay. So he works in different way from other artists. So Aichison has a talent. He is actually an artist. Okay. Unlike some artists, he never does drawing before he starts painting. So he has different way. Because he never do drawing. As he feels that if he did, he might get bored and not do the painting afterward. Instead, Aichi-san changes his paintings many times before they are finished. This explains why his favorite models are people who don't ask to see their pictures while he's painting them. So while they're painting, so some of the models doesn't ask, oh, where is the result? Okay, if I feel they're worried and want to look at the painting, I cannot do it. Oh, since moving to London years ago, he has not felt part of the Scottish painting scene. He says he is not interested in following any tradition, but just paints the way he can. However, his work still influences young British painters. So in short, he works in different way from other artists because Aichiton does not follow the traditional way of painting. He has his own way. That's the reason he influences young British painters. This is the main reason. Okay, so 23 and 24.
Okay.
Okay. So what does Aichison say about his use of colors? Okay. What does he say about the use of colors? He understand how different colors work together because in here, this led him to paint colors thinly, so thin, one on top of another from light going to dark. So he insists never sure what the results will be. It's always secret. Oh, so unpredictable. We cannot predict Aichison. Okay. For me, I don't like his attitude. Okay. Aichison prefers models who don't. Oh, letter B. It's letter D. Feel anxious to see the work as it's developing. Letter C, worry about how long will it take. Or letter B, ask him about Shrin's method of working. Okay, feel anxious to see the work as it's developing because the model, when you try to, some of the models will not ask, oh, what's the result? Because he said, I can't do it. Oh, I don't like him. I don't like the attitude of this painter. What might a visitor at an exhibition say about Aichiton work? This is your own perceptions. You can still see the influence of his trip to Italy in some of these pictures. Okay, so maybe because young British painters like or influences. Okay, he tried to influence the young British painters. So I don't know the reason. Okay, so this one. Please try to choose.
Okay. Okay, teacher.
Okay, so 26, I hear your parrot keep on barking. Okay, 26. Okay, 27. Very good, me. 28 happens. 29. Okay, everybody. However, not everybody. Okay. 2, it's provide. Okay. People who think the zoos are good ideas say they provide us with the opportunity to belong, to learn, okay, or to discover. Okay. So, both of these would not be possible. Okay. If for correct, 33, 34, both of these would not be possible. Okay. Without zoos. Okay. On the other hand, some people disapprove of zoo because they believe wrong to put animals in cages and argue that in zoo, which are not managed properly. Okay, manage properly, take care. It means manage, take care properly. Okay. Animals live in dirty conditions and eat unsuitable food. Unsuitable, it means not good food when you eat. But of course, when animals is in zoo, they were being taken care by the zookeeper, or they were loved by the zookeeper. So that's why they can eat properly. Okay? So, Ngi, we don't have enough time. So I will see you, Ngi. Sorry. Ngi, teacher and will be busy on Friday. So I hope if you have time on Friday in morning, is it okay? Are you okay in the Friday morning?
Hmm?
Friday morning.
Friday?
Morning.
Friday morning?
Yeah.
Wait me.
Oh, I am busy in the afternoon.
Okay, okay.
What
Okay.
time?
Okay. Um, Friday, 10 p.m. Okay?
PM? AM?
10 at 10 a.m.
Okay, okay. 10 a.m. Friday. Wait me, I will write here. 10 a.m. Friday. Okay, that's great. 10 a.m. Friday. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I will be negotiating no later. Okay, bye-bye, Nit. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.